मिडिल टेम्पल हॉल के अंदर उसमें जरूर आना है. You have to bring your mother also with you.
Yes, of course.
Because ये चीफ जस्टिस का हो रहा है.
बिल्कुल.
ये बताएं कि जो इनकी तरफ से तूफान बदतमीजी, आप इसका रिस्पांस क्या करते हैं? जो PMLN की तरफ से तूफान बदतमीजी बर्पा किया गया है, आप इसको रिस्पांस कैसे करते हैं?
देखिए जी, जब हमारे ये यंगस्टर आएंगे सामने, ये शयान खड़े, ये हमारे फ्यूचर लीडर हैं, तो इंशाल्लाह ताला हर चीज बेहतर होगी.
जरूर काजी भाई Shayan, how happy are you to see Dubai? I am honored that he's come here. He's truly an inspiration for us young generation that is coming into this political world.
Absolutely.
And I am very grateful that Mr. صاحبزادہ Jahangir is here. And he's come to witness the Avonfield saga himself by his own eyes. Thank you so much.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah.
Thank you so much.
Great effort. Great effort.
और एक और चीज, I am very honored that صاحبزادہ Jahangir Sahab has also invited us to the Middle Temple to register our peaceful protest against the former Chief Justice of Pakistan, Qazi Faiz Isa, and we will inshallah fully support this.
And that is happening on the 29th of October, 5 o'clock in the evening, outside Middle Temple Hall, London EC4.